everyone, Ian here, Manderscheid Media. Exciting news. Everybody loves a Hemi, especially in Mopar talk, I would say. Now, what you're looking at here is a Mr. Norm's 71 Hemi Charger RT. So it was found in a garage in Chicago, and it was parked in about 1977. So now, this is obviously showing the car. There's a walk-around video that I got. It's from a friend of mine out of Toronto. He's been awesome. He helped me with my Hemi engine as it was coming together. So this one's missing the powertrain, the numbers matching powertrain, but the engine came for sale in about 2015 on eBay. So if anybody has seen this engine, please contact me through here so I can let them know if it's purchasable, that we can get this back to numbers matching. But it is a real Mr. Norm's car, Grand Spalding Dodge. And obviously, and it came with a dealer jacket. So yeah, this is going to be wicked cool. It hasn't started restoration yet as far as I know, and I'm hoping that I can follow it along the way through the channel. But yeah, this is a real deal Hemi Charger RT from Mr. Norm. So yeah, I've had some of these cars out, this buddy's cars showcase. There's a 71 Hemi Roadrunner. He's got a run of 71 Hemi cars right now. So this is super exciting. So yeah, just sit back and enjoy. And yeah, any information, any leads on this car, please fire my way so I can get them to Jordan. So anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you around YouTube here every Wednesday as normal. Take care. Bye for now.